The first step to using this product is you open up the brush to remove any debris. Step 2, use tongs to wipe crystal clear. The product cleans every nook and cranny and is also a pocket-sized design. I love these because you can clean your glasses over 500 times and also never scratches or damages your lenses, which can happen from when you use like a t-shirt or a cloth. So definitely go get yourself your own Peeps.
Recently, I've been using the Peeps Carbon Lens Cleaner. One side has a brush and the other side has cleaning tongs. You just brush away the dirt first, then pull out the tongs and wipe away all the nasties, and immediately your lens is crystal clear. Best things about this cleaner is there's no liquid, no sprays, it'll never scratch your lenses, and it's super compact. It's easy to throw in your purse or clutch when you're on the go.
These are her glasses, and now we're just going to start off by dusting it off, which is super easy because it just like pops out like that. It's kind of fun to play with. And then you just dust it off, and then here is the fun part. So you pop it out, and there are the tongs, and then cleans the inside and the outside at the same time, which is so nice. It leaves no streaks, and it looks really, really good after you finish. And it cleans every nook and cranny. There you have it, all clean.
So I'm gonna show you my glasses are pretty dirty. So first we're gonna use the brush to take out the dirt. Inside, outside. Now we'll use the carbon cleaning pads. I'm gonna place it between the lenses and just clean that like that. You can clean your corners. It's so convenient, easy to use, and your glasses look crystal clean, no scratches. And what I love about it is I can toss it to my bag. It's so small, it looks cute, and it does the job great. No scratches, and the glasses are so clean. Amazing.
I have discovered Peeps Eyeglass Cleaner, an amazing compact contraption. You pop out the retractable brush, clean off any small debris or particles on your glasses, slide out the eco-friendly carbon cleaners that get into every corner and clean all the spots on your glasses. Easy as that. Perfect.
Use the Peeps Carbon Eyeglass Cleaner to leave the inside and outside of your lenses smudge and oil-free every time. You can use the Peeps Eyeglass Cleaner up to 500 times. It never scratches or damages your lenses and uses the same carbon molecular technology used by NASA.
Peeps is very easy and compact glasses cleaning kit. There's a brush, a quick and easy way to clean off the debris. As you can tell, one side's still dirty and the other side's clean in a split of a second. I usually use a cloth to clean off my sunglasses and it takes forever. Both sides are clean now. Now if you really want to get into it, there's the tong, which helps clean the nooks and crannies of the sunglasses if you want to get every inch of it. There you go. As you can tell, the glasses is brand spanking new.